How can I get a new Wells Fargo debit card? Did you know that the average person loses their wallet once every 12 years? Or that a lost or stolen debit card can be a major inconvenience, especially in today's cashless society? If you find yourself in need of a new Wells Fargo debit card, fear not. This article will guide you through the process, from understanding your options to receiving your replacement. The first step is to determine why you need a new card. If your card is lost or stolen, it's crucial to act quickly to prevent unauthorized transactions. Wells Fargo offers several convenient ways to report a lost or stolen card, including online, through the mobile app, or by phone. Once reported, the bank will immediately deactivate your old card and issue a new one. If your card is damaged, you can also request a replacement. This process is typically straightforward and can be completed online or by contacting customer service. However, if your card is damaged due to fraudulent activity, it's important to report the incident to Wells Fargo and law enforcement. Once you've determined the reason for needing a new card, you can choose how to request it. Wells Fargo offers multiple options, including online. Log into your Wells Fargo account and navigate to the Card Settings section. From there, you can select Replace Card and follow the prompts. Mobile app. If you have the Wells Fargo mobile app, you can request a replacement card directly through the app. Phone. Call Wells Fargo customer service at 1-800-2-WELLS, 1-800-869-3557, and follow the instructions provided by the representative. After submitting your request, Wells Fargo will begin processing your new card. The turnaround time for receiving your replacement card can vary depending on factors such as shipping address and processing times. However, in most cases, you can expect to receive your new card within a few business days. Once your new card arrives, activate it by following the instructions provided with the card. This typically involves entering a PIN or calling a designated number. Once activated, your new card is ready for use. In conclusion, replacing a Wells Fargo debit card is a relatively simple process that can be completed in a few easy steps. By understanding your options and following the guidelines provided, you can quickly obtain a new card and resume your normal banking activities.